So kind of, they look really beastie, don't they? Definitely these look like a drag tire. So this was a win. I wanted to improve the traction of my zero-turn mower around my ponds and wood area of my property, which is usually wet. I researched a lot of different tires, including Kendra and ITB ATV tires, and I came back full circle to a tractor tire, which is called the Carlisle VersaTurf tractor radial tire. You can see it next to my Terracross ATV tire, and this tire is a cross between an R4 tractor industrial tire and a turf tire. So you can see it has bars like an R4 tire or ag tire, yet it has these relief bars in it to loosen the mud, to clean the treads, and also it has some knobbies like a turf tire, and it's a radial. So I'm swapping the Carlisle multi-track tire, which is a turf tire. Although it does have a good lug on it, it is strictly a turf tire. This tire, according to the specifications, the VersaTurf tire is a 1/2 inch in diameter larger than the multi-turf tire, the multi-track Carlisle tire. Although when you look at it, it looks like it's bigger than a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to take some measurements to see what the deck height is with these tires, with the stock tires on the machine. Take some measurements of the deck height all the way up, and then put the new tires on and see what the deck height is. It should only be, if the specifications are right, off by a 1/2 inch, but we'll see. Clearance looks good here. So kind of, they look really beastie, don't they? Definitely these look like a drag tire compared to the VersaTurf. But we'll see how she measures up when I drop her. Let's take this other tire off. This is interesting. Look at how the leveling mechanism works for the deck with the suspension. As this component, rear end component, moves up and down, this whole assembly of the frame can move up and down. It will move the deck up and down through this linkage and pivot points, and the front end suspension will do the same. One of the big reasons why I purchased this zero-turn mower. Suspension's important on an ATV, and I thought it should be important on a mower. So let's put this beast on. You can't see it, but it's on assembly mode. I'll torque it down with my wrench. So I'm going to torque these to 70 foot-pounds. So it's interesting. This right side tire, as you're sitting in the machine, tire pressure was 13.7 pounds. Let's see what it was on the left side of the machine. And I'm wondering if I should lower the tire pressure in the VersaTurf tires. £13.7, 14 pounds. So I might I'm gonna lower the pressure in those VersaTurfs because those are really pumped up. And the height didn't change. The height of the deck, I don't think, changed a quarter of an inch on the machine. So it's very close to the original height. Big win. I can't believe I'm mowing in there. I can't believe I cut across that with a zero-turn mower. I'm not going to venture into here. I don't want to damage a brand new mower, but I am impressed. How muddy was it where I was mowing? Wow. There is plenty of clearance here, as you can see. But look at how muddy this was. And these things do clean themselves. Saw the mud I was just in. The lawn. Very impressed. Very impressed. My tractor rutted up this area today. See how the VersaTurf tires do where my tractor got stuck. See. Impressive tire, really happy. I have to mention a couple things. Number one, I have gotten stuck many times with this VersaTurf tire on this tractor, but I would have gotten stuck many more times with the turf tire on the tractor. So this tire does make a difference in getting stuck less. Number two, something that's, so don't think that you're going to get this tire and never get stuck, because it's not true. I've gotten stuck many times. Number two, what has really amazed me is this Ferris has a full suspension on it, and putting these radial VersaTurf tires on it at 15 psi, the ride is amazing, and it does not hurt my back whatsoever. Great tire. Right there. Not bad though. And my lawn, yours is wet. Little stuff over there. Top of the world. Top of the world impressed with this. Very pleased. Very impressed with these VersaTurf tires. Really impressed. This was a gamble and it paid off in a big way. Thank you for watching my Victory Series video. I hope you hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Please, if you ride motorsports off-road, please wear a helmet, and I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you and God bless.